What is up, folks? Tripping Ain't Easy back here in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. This time we are staying at the Luxor right here, as you can see. We are staying on the 17th floor. We are in a Premier 2 Queen. So we're going to go ahead and give you guys a room tour. And just so you know, we're on the 17th floor. And here's our room number, just as a comparison, because some of them are going to have a different view and such. So we're going to go ahead and walk in here and show you that. All right. So we walk into the room here. It's pretty spacious. The 2 queens here. Start off in the bathroom, of course. Big mirror, standard, sink, towels, stand-up shower, pretty sizable. As you can see, I'll show you here. I am 6 foot, so it's pretty big, pretty sizable shower. Here's a little toilet there. This only works the fan and the light, so just so you know. We come in here, big mirror, peekaboo. Got a big mirror with the light above it, so you guys can check yourselves out before you head out to the strip. TV does not come off the wall. It is stationary, so there's no swivel bracket. A counter here to put things. There used to be a fridge in here, I guess, so there's no fridge, so that kind of sucks. Bunch of drawers, plenty of drawers. No coffee pot either. Standard cabinet. Ironing board, iron. The beds are okay. Why don't you do a little bed test? What do you think? Got some decor on the wall. Apparently these were, I believe they were renovated here recently. We got here a conjoining room, little table, another table. I got my luggage on top of that one here. And then here's your window for the view. And for those of you who never stayed at the Luxor and have always wondered, are the rooms slanted? Kind of. So yeah, there's the window. It is slanted along the wall there. But we do have the view of the Excalibur right there. And then this is one of the towers. This is another one of the Luxor's towers here, I believe. And then if you look out over there, we got some of the desert and the mountains there. See the T-Mobile Arena, just the tip of the Cosmopolitan right there, the Vidara and the Aria. Of course, we can't see the beam because the beam's up there somewhere. But as you, the beam, the light beam what goes, there is a safe in here. It is right here in the drawer. So that's where you put all that at. Got your thermostat on the wall. The elevators are way down that way. Here, as I'll actually show you here. Will it tell me where I am? Yep, right here. Here's where I am right here. Boom, and the elevator that we came in on is way down here. So that kind of sucked. But it is what it is. Just wanted to go ahead and show you the room here. There is not a traditional lock on the door, as you can see there. But it does have a deadbolt. Tells you how to do it. You shove it up like that, and it locks it. So overall, not too bad. We did get this on some M Life offers, so I can't really tell you how much it normally is. I can only tell you how much we paid, which I believe was around $700-800 for 10 nights. So something like that. Not too bad. We are got plans a little later to go to Mandalay Bay. Go check that out. And then, yeah, we'll keep you guys abreast of anything else we got going on. We got plenty of videos coming down the pipeline, so don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more. And, as always, tripping ain't easy, but it sure is fun.